Good morning. This is the English video session for class 6. Children, I am going to start with another new book. This is a supplementary reader. Okay. The name of the book is A Pact with the Sun. See the cover? A Pact with the Sun. Supplementary reader for which class? Class 6. Okay. This is the yellow color book is you have to have with you. If you are not able to collect the book, absolutely no problem. You have to go to ePathshala, download the Pact with the Sun. Okay. Take the printout and keep it with you in the hand. Okay. The name of the book is A Pact with the Sun. The name of the book is A Pact with the Sun. Is that clear? Okay. You must keep that in your hand before the class starts. Okay. I shall give you some reading work, and once you complete it only you can continue with the video session. Otherwise you will not be able to understand anything. Is that clear? This is also part of your first periodical test. So kindly don't neglect. Download this book and keep the printout in your hand. Is that clear to you? Okay. Now, the first page resembles this in the right side. A Pact with the Sun, NCERT. Yes? Okay. Now, look at the contents, children. This is how the contents come. So, you have totally 10 stories. They are all wonderful moral stories. Stories which contain lot of moral values. Okay. So, they are very simple English. You will definitely like them. Okay. And you need to have the printout of these lessons in your hand before the class begins. Now children, today we are going to go into the topic A Tale of Two Birds. Please repeat behind me. A Tale of Two Birds. It's a very small story, but it has got abundant meaning. A very short story. The children can very easily read the story, understand it, provided they have the material with them. That is why I showed you the cover of the book which you have to download. The Pact with the Sun, yellow color book. This is a supplementary reader that is given by the NCERT to class 6 children. So I am going to deal with the first story in this, that is the bird, the tale of two birds. Now let us see the meaning of TALE. What is the meaning of TALE? TALE means story. What is TAIL? TAIL, cat's tail, monkey's tail, yes, dog's tail. Okay, TALE is story. What is it? The meaning is story. Okay, shall we go for the text, children? Before we go into the reading part of it, I want all of you to read the entire story silently at least twice. You're requested to pause the video, read the story, A Tale of Two Birds. At least you must read for two times, and then only continue to play the video. It will be fruitful only if you do this exercise in this manner, or else you will find it difficult to continue. Okay? Now, assuming that you have already read the entire topic twice silently, I go to the topic. The tale of two birds. Please see, a tale of two birds. Okay, read it all of you in your mind first. There are notes. See, there are bullet notes given. Dot, dot, dot. They are the content points. What are they? Content points. And then the story starts. A mother bird and her two young ones lived in a forest. The mother was killed in the storm, and the young birds were separated from each other. Each found a different home. Each found a different home. These are the main points that will be told in this story now in the first part. Let us see what happens in the story. So there is a main character, that is the mother bird. Who is that? Mother bird. How many baby birds she has got? Two young ones. How many baby birds are there? Two baby birds. Okay. Let's see what happened. Storm. What is the meaning of storm? Yes, a wild rain, heavy rain with wild wind. Okay, heavy rain, not ordinary rain, heavy rain, and where the wind is swinging from, the trees will just swing from this end to this end. Haven't you seen? Trees fall down, uprooted. Yes, one storm comes. Okay, let us go to the story. There once lived a bird and her two newborn babies in a forest. They had the nest in the tall shady tree, and there the mother bird took care of her little ones day and night. So where is their home? The birds lived in the tall shady tree. And who took care of the small baby birds? The mother. Okay. How did she care them? Day and night she was taking care of them. Please read that. All of you. Repeat louder. Your voice should reach the at least 15 meters. Louder, louder. Yes. Yes. Did you read? There once. Continue. Read it at least 2 times. Louder. Okay. Now, one day there was a big storm. Look at the storm, children. Look at the picture. Are you able to see the picture? There was thunder, lightning and rain, and the wind blew down many trees. The tall tree in which the baby birds lived also came down. A big heavy branch hit the nest and killed the mother bird. Fortunately for the baby birds, The strong wind blew them to the other side of the forest. One of them came near the cave where the gang of robbers lived. The other lived outside Rishi Shastram, a little distance away. Okay, children, today after downloading, you'll take the printout. You read the first 2 paragraphs thoroughly and come to my next class. I'll be asking you to questions, small questions on this first 2 paragraphs. You should also read the second paragraph at least 3 to 4 times. Okay, and tell me whenever I am questioning, you must be able to tell the answer. Okay, meanings also. Clear? Shall I see you in the next class? Thank you, children. First take the printout of The Pact with the Sun textbook. Is that clear to you? Okay. Thank you, children. Bye.